Hi everyone, I'm just here waiting for my next showing on this great house, and I'm just thinking about some of the wonderful comments that we've gotten so far from all of the showings. Almost everyone says, what a great kitchen. Lots of people love the sleek granite countertops. The custom cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, definitely a favorite. And many people say the bedrooms are so spacious. So I'd love to hear what you all think. Schedule your showing, come out and see it today.